Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome back to my office here. And if you know, I did a review of the Standard Horizon emergency radio, but I also got this. This is the little waterproof case for it. So you can see it's just a big, bulky, rubbery thing. So we're gonna put the thing in there. I'm sure it's gonna have to come out to charge it because the charger is on the sides here and stuff, so there's no way to charge it with it in there. So let's put this on. And there, that was it. Thrilling, huh? So there we go. So now we have it on, and it's there, and it should be pretty waterproof. Not necessarily waterproof, it'll make it float if it falls in the water, and it kind of gives it a little something else to grip onto. So it's kind of a little bit nice to have. So I'm gonna leave this in there in the boat. It does make it kind of big, but hey, it's fine. It'll still fit in my little glove box. So I like this, and hope I'm not pushing the talk button, but there. And so it fits good, fits like a glove. Doesn't really come off very easy, but it does come off easy enough that you can push from the back and take it out when you need to charge. So super easy to do, pretty durable. I like it, so thumbs up from me. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.